It is very, very hot and humid today. I was making a video of something else with my other camera, one of my other cameras, and the lens was fogging up because it was so humid out there. So I got this Sharp 10,500 BTU running on low speed right now. I'm going to put it on medium because it's pretty warm in here. Current temperature is 95 degrees, and that's what the heat index is. And in here where the thermostat is, you can see the air conditioner right there in the background. 74 degrees. So it's working pretty hard to keep up. The higher 5,000 BTU is running right now on high speed. I don't know when this was turned on, but usually this one doesn't get run during the day, but it's pretty hot. Current temperature up here is 80 degrees, so I'm going to turn this 10,500 on as well. That weird effect on the display is just the camera making it look like that. And let's turn on this 8500 BTU Sharp as well. Let that run for a while and cool it down. I'll turn on the Lakewood S223 just to take some of the cool air from the air conditioner and blow it down the hallway. Just put it on medium. Got the 6,000 BTU GE Slumberline running. It's doing great. Kmart K223 is on. This one has a Westinghouse motor just like that S223 I showed earlier in the video. This 5,000 BTU Kenmore has been running non-stop on high speed. Blowing nice cold air. Got the Emerson Quiet Cool running, 6,300 BTU. Emerson ceiling fan is running in the kitchen, the same room that the Emerson Quiet Cool is in. And I got the 8,000 BTU, one of the 8,000 BTU LGs running up in this bedroom. It's blowing nice cold air. I took this thing apart this morning and cleaned it out because it was a little dirty, and the outside fan was scraping against some leaves, so I got those out of there. But it's working very nicely. I wanted to install an 8,000 BTU up here. That coolerator worked pretty well. It was just a little bit underpowered. It's only 7,000 BTU, so took that out and put the 8,000 BTU LG in, and then down there I got the 8,100 BTU GE that I had in here for a little while. Here's the Waycar 25-pint dehumidifier running. Currently 60% humidity down here and 68 degrees. It's dripping a lot of water down into the drain because I got the hose hooked up to it. And I forgot to show the dehumidifier at the other house, but it's running too.